Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Night Rod Special. This V-Rod comes with a 1250cc liquid-cooled V-twin, has a 5-speed transmission, forward mount foot controls, all blacked out, got the slick little orange stripe there on the rims, orange racing stripe down the tank. And the rear fender, a real nice look to it. Got a 240mm tire on the rear, got lots of rubber left on that. This is a very low mileage bike. Denim black color, blacked out motor. Sweet ride. See a little, looks like a little mark right here on the fender. Bike's only got 660 miles. Got the factory exhaust on it. It runs pretty quiet. It's got this little switch up here, turns on some lights, and this is the dimmer for it right here, the little knob on the side. Come around here and see if I can show them to you. Yeah, you can see there's some inside here, some under there, here. Thinking there's the same on the other side maybe. Yeah. It just turns them on and off right there. Put this bike through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Rear fender looks good. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.